Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to add more than one animations to your video edits in CapCut. So here I've already imported the clips to my CapCut and I want to add animations to each clip. So what you need to do is just click on the clip and go to animation, and here choose the animations that you want. So I'm going to add two animations, the in and out. The first one, I'm going to add the mini zoom animation and adjust the durations to your liking. And to add the out animation, click on the out tab and select the animations that you want to use. I'm going to use the fade out. Okay, I'm going to go with 0.4 second. Then if you want to apply it to all of the clips, just select the clip and select the animation. Like this. Okay, so that's basically it. You'll get this result like this, and that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.